Come with me while I tour you through this $2 million home in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. You can tell me whether you think it's really worth $2 million. This is a 3,500 square foot home. We've got 4 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom in the fully finished basement, a lot of room for your shoes. We have a nice walk-through pantry, a coffee station, plenty of room for storage, marble countertops, marble backsplash, very contemporary, a massive fridge, perfect for entertaining. We also have a waterfall countertop, floor-to-ceiling windows, and really high ceilings in this property. We got this massive bonus room, huge primary bedroom, and of course a luxurious spa-like ensuite, a beautiful California closet, laundry room right off the ensuite. Jack and Jill bathroom, which is all the rage right now. His and her sinks, and then a water closet essentially with a full bathtub. So here we are downstairs. It has a custom bar in here. Now that you've toured it, what do you think the value should be? My name is Karen Stanko, and I've been a realtor for over 17 years in the Edmonton and surrounding area. Please comment below and subscribe, because I'm curious, what do you think $2 million should be worth in a northern Canadian city? Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for joining me.